You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
It's Friday, May 29. Let's look at what this means for startups and entrepreneurs in Korea. We are tracking how Korea's institutional infrastructure is completely transforming right now.
Right, yeah.
I mean, we're talking about everything from the foundational compute and data moats powering AI, all the way to, the falling regulatory walls in traditional fintech.
Yeah, the physical silicon to traditional finance, it's moving incredibly fast.
So before AI can execute these complex tasks at scale, it needs vastly more efficient computing infrastructure. Like, that's step one.
Absolutely. I mean, at the Seoul Forum, we heard the AI inference chip market is projected to hit $475 billion by 2030, which is, frankly, massive.
Oh, $475 billion.
Yeah, and the stakes are so high because inference, which is the AI actually generating answers for users in real time, is an energy nightmare right now.
Yeah.
That is where a Korean startup called Rebellions comes in. They're a fabulous company, meaning they design the chips but let someone else physically manufacture them.
And they're building NPUs, right, neural processing units.
Exactly, and they claim a 5 to 7 times power efficiency advantage over their competitors. It's why heavyweights like Samsung, SK Hynix, ARM, and Marvell are all strategically backing them.
That's a serious lineup of investors.
It really is. Plus, you have FuriosaAI partnering with Broadcom to co-develop an inference accelerator using next-gen HBM that's high bandwidth memory, specifically HBM4. They're set to sample that in the first half of 2028.
Okay, so these startups are essentially building the energy-efficient toll roads for the global AI boom, basically bypassing NVIDIA's traffic jam.
That is a perfect analogy, yeah.
But, hardware provides the roads, but high-quality proprietary data is the premium fuel required to actually run them.
Right, which brings us to Naver. They're investing $1 trillion, so about $700 million, into a creator ecosystem.
Oh, wow, that's a huge bet.
It's a massive bet to build an AI data moat. They're launching the Naver Mate program. Basically, if Naver's AI cites a creator's content, that creator gets paid. It ranges from a base of 300,000 won, which is $211, up to 10 million won, or $7,050 monthly.
Wait, really? Is this like the end of free AI data scraping? Because Naver seems to be proving that paying for the best data is the only way to build a defensible moat now.
I mean, yes. The era of free scraping is hitting legal walls globally, so owning high-quality, legally cleared data is the new premium fuel.
Okay, so we've got the roads and the fuel established. Now, enterprises are finally deploying the actual vehicles, which are these autonomous agents.
Exactly. Look at SK Telecom. They are internally deploying ABiz Cowork, which is an agentic AI that lets employees automate complex workflows completely without writing a single line of code.
Right, and contrast that with Microsoft's massive 60-day reversal.
Oh, right, the OpenClo situation.
Yeah, taking the open source autonomous agent OpenClo from being perceived as a literal virus to, integrating it directly into the Microsoft 365 suite.
It's wild. But it's a massive productization signal. I mean, agents are moving from being these developer toys to native enterprise tools.
And just as that AI infrastructure matures into enterprise reality, the underlying financial infrastructure for digital assets is suddenly breaking wide open.
Yeah, the Jimgabunri is collapsing.
The informal Korea finance crypto separation rule, right?
Right, the firewall,
yeah.
Major cable, the big family-run conglomerates like Samsung, Hana, Hanwha, Mirai, and Korea Investment, they poured over 2 trillion won, which is roughly $1.3 billion, into crypto exchanges in just a single week.
Over $1.3 billion in 1 week. I mean, this feels like a massive institutional land grab.
Oh, it absolutely is a land grab. Yeah. Their goal is to build super apps handling equities, crypto, and STOs, which are security token offerings, basically digitizing traditional assets onto a blockchain.
So they want to own the infrastructure before the formal STO regulations even launch in 2026.
Exactly. They want to own the rails before the starting gun even fires.
Which leaves you with an incredible thought to ponder. Imagine the convergence of these trends. What happens when the agentic AI integrated into M365 can autonomously execute trades on these newly institutionalized Korean STO exchanges?
Right. All powered by that energy-efficient Korean silicon we talked about. It is a completely new paradigm.
That's today's AI PRISM Founders. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a Juan Ifrey award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.